So here guys, I have another topic. The topic name is Mission 55. Mission. Recently in this week, I have taught you to how to learn fluently in public place. Understand? Like that, if you go to any visit area like Varanasi, Ayodhya, there are lots of visitors like South Korea's visitors and North Korea, China, America, Australia. Maximum Australia tourists come to in Varanasi like Manikanka Ghat. There are lots of places who visited and also chatting each other. So if you have knowledge, you have practice, then you can speak English easily. Like that, the basic things I would like to teach you. Basic things, I think, introduction. Introduce yourself. How to introduce in public area? There are lots of audience to sitting. So in front of them, how to chatting with them. So first of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving this chance to say about this topic. Well, my name is Pradeep Kumar. I study in class 6. So coming to my family, in my family there are 4 members. My father is a good businessman, and my mother is a good housewife, and one elder brothers who visits to me. My hobby is playing cricket. My hobby is playing cricket, listening song, and my strength is learning new things. And my weakness is, sorry, I am a short tempered person. So here I have 2 topics. First of all, money and time, and the second, mobile. I think coming to my first topic, money and time. So money and time both are like a coin which has two sides. Which have two sides. Without, sorry, head and tail. Without head, tail is impossible, and without tail, head is impossible. Same. Without money, time is impossible, and without time, money is impossible. Both play a very unique role in our life. First topic is completely destroyed by me, and the second topic is mobile, smartphone. You can say anything, laptop, any goods. I think any goods you can suit this translation and this paragraph. I think mobile is very important, and mobile is good and bad both. It totally depends on users. If you use it wrong way, it is bad. But if you use it right way, it is good. So it's completely depends on us how to use it, how to use technology, how to use AI, how to use anything machines. You can translate this sentence and this paragraph to remove by anyone. Understand? Good then good, bad then bad. So in a week there are fourth day to remembering the mission 55. You can, आप जोड़ सकते हो किसी सेंटेंस में. ये जो अपना सेंटेंस देख रहे हो टॉप 10, द नेम इज टॉप 10 या मिशन 55. आई आई विल write you 55 sentence, 55 sentences. You have to learn, you have to remember all over time. Understand? The first things is, if I talk about, I think you can apply the any sentence. I think money and time, if I talk about money and time is a both very important role in our life. The second things, as my heart says to me, if you debate any person, so you can also apply this, as my heart says to me, जैसा मेरा दिल मुझसे कहता है. To be very frank, खुलकर कहूँ to be very frank, I think money, without money time is impossible, and without time money is impossible. To be very honest, I don't want to using mobile, my parents mobile, my brother mobile, never. In a week only one time I use a mobile, only Sunday. टू बी वेरी फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, आपकी जिम्मेदारी के लिए, मतलब सॉरी आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं, फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, आई थिंक we have to learn from mobile, from AI machine, from anything. I think time learn to me, मतलब समय हमें सिखाता है कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, क्या what to do and what not to do, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. In my eyes, I think in my eyes, मेरी नजर में I think बिना पैसा को तो कुछ anything you can't do anything. You can also, you come to my coaching, you pay some rupees, and then I will service for you. I service daily, understand? So without money we can't imagine, बिना पैसे के हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now I am coming to the topic. There are lots of बकैती type person who also, देखो तो कुछ भी बक देते हैं ना, तो कह यार प्लीज डोंट लर्न मी, मुझे सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. कमिंग टू द टॉपिक, अपने टॉपिक पे आओ. या फिर तुम बोल सकते हो यस आई एम कमिंग टू टॉपिक. सो काइंड ऑफ यू. अरे यार तुम बहुत डेवलपमेंट, तुम्हारा परिवार, तुम्हारा गांव बड़ा डेवलपमेंट, मतलब बड़ा विकास की ओर जा रहा है, तो कहो यस सो काइंड ऑफ यू, अब बस आपकी कृपा है. इसे बोलते हो ना, आपकी कृपा है, तो सो काइंड ऑफ यू. Nice to meet you. When you go to any visit any place like Ayodhya, Varanasi, any other country, Australia, UK, and there are lots of two visitors and tourists, and also come to the you handshake, and you will also call him nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. I have a doubt, but I have a doubt. This way goes to where? ये रास्ता कहाँ जाएगी? I have doubt. There are lots of gully corridors in Varanasi Ghat, मणिकर्णिका घाट. You have many कोली गली सब पाया जाता है, बस सब लोग भूल जाते हैं. तो उनको क्या रहता है? Doubt. I have one doubt. What's way where goes? ये रास्ता किधर जाएगी?